Hello friends! Red roses are very beautiful to watch, isn't it? What if we tell you that these red roses are basically a dessert that you can make for yourself, or maybe give them to a loved one to make them feel special? These are very easy to make and are made with only 4 ingredients. You are watching DCIT channel, and in DCIT recipes today we'll show you how to make edible red roses. Let's start with the recipe. Take a mixing bowl and add 1 cup of milk powder, 1 cup of desiccated coconut and half cup of powdered sugar. Just mix everything using your hands. Now, as we are making red roses, we are going to add some red color. You can take any other color, or you can even use mix of colors if you want different colors for the roses. Now add 1/4 cup of milk and knead the dough to form a ball without any cracks. The best practice is to add the milk in parts, and in case you feel that there is the need of adding more milk, you can add it, and if you feel that this mixture is quite runny, you can add more coconut. Now take a plastic sheet and spread little ghee on it. Take some amount of dough and carefully roll the dough into 1 cm thickness. If it is sticking, you can apply a little ghee on the roller too. Now take a bottle lid and cut into circle shapes. The choice is yours. If you want big flowers, take a bigger lid. If you want small flowers, you can take a smaller lid. Or you can even do a combination of both. In case you have a cookie cutter, you can use that also here. Now remove the extra dough and roll it again to make more such circles. Similarly, roll the entire dough and cut it into circles. Now we'll start making the flowers. Take 6 circles one by one and place one above another as shown in the video. Now take a skewer or a toothpick and press in the center as shown. Now remove the toothpick and start rolling from the corner and press a little to stick them together. Once completely rolled, you can gently press them so that they come into a shape. Now place this on a tray and cut with a sharp knife in the center. This will give you 2 flowers. Similarly, prepare all the roses. You can actually serve these roses as it is, or if you want, you can decorate it a bit using spring onions. Take spring onions and cut it with scissors. The length of the spring onion depends upon how long you need the stem to be. Now take a flower and press it in the center of the back side of the flower, and repeat the same for all the flowers. Wow, don't they look like natural roses? Now arrange all the flowers in a tray, or you can even arrange them in a glass and keep it on your dining table to attract your guests. They won't even believe that these are edible. Do try this no-fail recipe and let us know your feedback in the comment section below. For more such recipes, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you for connecting with us.